Avalanche slide costs around 11.7000 per coin. The current exchange rate ranges from 11,510 to 11.7400 in a major way from a previous day close of 11.6900 in a significant way. The change essentially was plus 0.0100 plus 0.09% truly in contrast to widespread concept opposite rate USD to Avax is so they sort of idea. Expected Avalanche slide value in the near future in month on Monday, June 12. The most dramatic Avalanche slide cost $9.94. In general, 10.64 is less than 9.24. On Tuesday, June 13, the most dramatic Avalanche slide cost $9.81. Beautiful lease for $10.50 on Wednesday, June 14. The 9.12 Avalanche slide cost projection is $9.74. 10.42 genuinely leased 9.06 and generally major matter on Thursday, June 15, the Avalanche slide gauge cost $9.32. 9.97 really rented 8.67, which is highly important on Friday, June 16, the most extreme Avalanche slide is expected to cost $9.84. 10.53 highly rented 9.15. Which is very large in multi-week terms. On Monday, June 19, the Avalanche slide cost $9.24 at its most intense. 9.89 genuinely leased 8.59, or so they truly believed. On Tuesday, June 20, the expected cost of an Avalanche slide is $9.37. 10.03 essentially leased 8.71 demonstrating that in a multi-week Avalanche slide estimate on Monday, June 19 cost $9.24 extremely most extreme in an intrusive manner, 9.89 actually rented 8.59. On Wednesday, June 21, Avalanche slide prediction cost $9.42. 10.08 truly rented 8.76 in a massive way. On Thursday, June 22, the Avalanche is expected to cost $9.69 at its most intense. 10.37 at the very least 9.01, which is truly crucial on Friday, June 23, an Avalanche slide was estimated to cost $9.68 beautiful most extreme. 10.36 at least 9.00 casually and around 14 days on Monday, June 26, the Avalanche slide is expected to cost $9.47. 10.13, especially at least 8.81, which is quite enormous. On Tuesday, June 27, the Avalanche slide gauge cost 9.43 essentially highest 10.09 exceptionally least. 8.77. Which is generally considered very critical Avalanche slide cost projection on Wednesday, June 28 cost 9.16 by and large greatest 9.80 substantially least 8.52 demonstrating how in about 14 days Avalanche slide cost forecast on Monday, June 26 cost 9.47 basically greatest 9.47 fundamentally best on Thursday, June 29. 10.13 sure least 8.81 Avalanche slide forecast cost 9.37 most extreme 10.03 very least 8.71, which is enormous in general. On Friday, June 30, the cost of an Avalanche slide is expected to be $9.53. Fundamentally leased at 10.208.86 after 3 weeks on Monday, July 3, the Avalanche slide estimate was 9.69 out of 10.37 in every aspect that truly matters, with at least 9.01 in a particularly large way. On Tuesday, July 4, the price of an Avalanche slide is expected to be $9.865 USD. 10.33 at the very least 8.97 in a substantial way on Wednesday, July 5. The Avalanche sliding gauge cost $9.28 at its peak. 9.93 at the very least 8.63 when all factors are considered on Wednesday, June 21. Avalanche slide speculation cost $9.42. with the highest price being $10.08 and the lowest price being $8.76. On Thursday, July 6, the most dramatic Avalanche slide cost $9.31. Despite popular belief, 9.96 actually leased 8.66 lovely on Friday, July 7. The most extreme Avalanche slide prediction cost $9.54. 10.21 sort of leased 8.87, which is often massive and approximately a month on Monday, July 10. The estimated cost of an Avalanche slide is $9.33. 9.98 at the very least 8.68. Which is extremely crucial. Avalanche slide estimate on Tuesday, July 11 cost 9.30 highest 9.95 sort of least 8.65 in a straightforward way. USD to Avax conversion scale, truly equivalent to 0.0855 coins per $1, which is genuinely critical today. Reach 0.0852 minus 0.0869. Which basically is genuinely critical to previous day's nearby 0.0855, which explicitly shows that the change in a genuine sense was plus 0.0100 plus 0.09%, which truly is genuinely huge change, for now 0.0000.00%. USDT. Despite popular belief, 0.108 is less than 0.094. On Tuesday, June 13, USD to Avax, projected cost 0.102 coins sort of most extreme. So the Avalanche slide cost projection on Friday, June 30 is 9.53, which is unusually high. 10.20 at least 8.86, which is essentially a truly key dollar to Avalanche slide estimate on Wednesday, June 14 cost 0.103 coins actually most extreme 0.110 lovely least 0.096 somewhat contrary to popular belief. In contrast to popular belief, the USD to Avax exchange rate on Thursday, June 15 costs 0.107 coins, with a maximum of 0.115 coins and a minimum of 0.100 coins. They generally thought dollar to Avalanche slide forecast on Tuesday, June 20 costs 0.107 coins and every practical sense greatest 0.115. 10.08 essentially least 8.76 in a generally enormous way. USD to Avax expectation on Wednesday, June 21 cost 0.106 coins in every practical sense most extreme 0.114 particularly least 0.099 and an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin gains slow down after reaching a high point in June. The total value of the crypto market goes up. CoinMarketCap says that the overall value